Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the ear cushions on your Jabra Evolve 40 wired headset, as you see here. This video actually was inspired by one of our commenters who said they're using this headset more than 1 year now, and the cover of one of the cushions is getting loose. Does anybody have the same issue? Yes, this issue happens with others, and what happens is the ear cushions wear out over time. So we're going to show you exactly how to replace the ear cushions on this. So let's dive in right now. The Jabra Evolve headset actually has ear cushions that are glued onto the plastic part that we'll see in just a second. So let's go ahead and take this off so you can see what we're talking about. And you'll notice it's kind of hard to remove the ear cushion just because it is glued on. So you just pinch the ear cushion and just start to pull it back. And then it'll just kind of rip a little bit of the cushion as you take it off here. And let's do the other one. All right, there you go. So this is what the Evolve 40 headset looks like. There's a little bit of glue that held the ear cushion on. I'm not sure exactly why they did that. Probably just so the ear cushion doesn't fall off or doesn't kind of rotate left and right, which can be annoying. But there is some replacement ear cushions that we have available. Check out the link below to find those, and this is how to put them on. You simply just take this circle, this inner circle here, and you're going to wrap it around this plastic part. And what I've found actually is the Jabra Evolve ear cushions, they're like this cheap metal or foam that kind of, when you squish it, it stays kind of squished rather than fluffy like this cushion here, for example. See how that's a lot more cushiony, or this one is kind of like memory foam. It just flattens out. And what I've found is that it's pretty uncomfortable headset actually, because you feel the plastic part underneath this ear cushion because of how thin and flat this cushion is. It's just something I noticed when replacing this. So okay, so let's go ahead and put this ear cushion on. It's kind of difficult to put on, I'll admit, but it's okay to kind of stretch it around so that it gets on there properly. And you just want to feed this cushion around. I'll kind of talk it through live here. So I'm holding with one finger and then just kind of pulling it around with the other one. And when I rotate the headset and then kind of pull it around, we're getting towards the end, and I'm gonna hold actually both sides so that the ear cushion doesn't kind of run back around and you're constantly trying to chase it. So I'm lifting the ear cushion up to grab the inner circle, and then I'm stretching it over. And it's okay to pull it kind of hard, as it won't rip, but you just don't want to like puncture it with a nail or an object like a screwdriver or something, because that will tear it. And as you see, I've put it on there, and you can see that this is tight enough that it's not going to spin or come off as you try to take this off. So that is nice. Let's do the other one now, just so you can say that we've done it. All right, I'm just holding this side and pulling, and then I'll rotate the headset again, grab that underneath and pull. And we're getting close to the end, so I'm gonna use both my fingers and pinch, and then get underneath the ear cushion, pull that there. So that's how you replace the ear cushions on the Jabra Evolve 40. Again, in the comments below, we will have a link to the ear cushions so that you can get them for yourself. But I did want to let you know about a product if your Evolve is starting to not work or not meet your needs. I want to show you this product, the Discover D712U. This is our by far most popular wired headset. What you're going to see with this headset is that it has those soft ear cushions right out of the gate. and it has a 3-year warranty, so you're going to be protected. If anything happens, give us a call and it will get replaced like that. And we did a microphone test of this headset, and we found that this was one of the best microphones for what your customers are going to be hearing your voice. So check out that video up here. We'll also put it in the comments below. Has fantastic sound, and that makes one of the many reasons why people are switching to the Discover D712U. Definitely worth considering, so check it out. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to leave a comment on the video, as we do look at those and reply to all of them. If there's any questions that you have about the Jabra, Discover, Plantronics headsets, put it in the comments and we will get to you. Appreciate you taking the time to view this video, and we hope you have a great day.